When it comes to keeping your car's engine healthy, few things are more important than choosing the right motor oil. But with so many options out there, synthetic, blends, conventional, and high mileage, it can get confusing. So let's break it down and help you pick the best oil for your car. And if you want to grab any of these oils, I've left links to the best deals in the description below. Oil drum types of engine oil. Synthetic oil. This is the top tier choice. It's lab-made, delivers maximum protection, performs well in extreme heat or cold, and lasts longer, usually 10,000 to 20,000 kilometers before needing a change. Perfect for newer and high-performance cars. Synthetic blend oil. A mix of synthetic and conventional oil. It's more affordable than full synthetic, but still offers better protection than plain conventional oil. Change it around every 7,500 kilometers. Great for mid-range cars. Conventional oil, the traditional option, made from crude oil. It's budget-friendly, but requires more frequent changes, every 3,000 to 5,000 kilometers. Works best for older or simpler engines. High-mileage oil, made for cars with over 120,000 kilometers. It has additives to reduce leaks and protect worn engine parts, helping older vehicles last longer. How to choose the right oil. Check your owner's manual. The manufacturer's recommendation is always the safest bet. Understand oil grades like 5W30 or 10W40. The first number with the W shows cold weather performance. Lower means easier starts in winter. The second number shows how thick the oil is when hot. Higher numbers mean more protection in high heat. Consider your climate. Colder regions need low W numbers, like 0W20, while hotter climates benefit from higher second numbers, like 10W40. Bottom line, the right oil is usually the one your car's manual recommends. Best oil brands in each category. Best synthetic oil, Mobil 1. One of the pioneers of synthetic oil, recommended by high-performance brands like Corvette, Porsche, and Mercedes-AMG. Protects against engine wear, sludge, and high heat. Easy to find across the US. You can check out the latest Mobil 1 deals using the link below. Best synthetic blend, Valvoline. Known for its max life technology, especially for vehicles with over 75,000 miles. Reduces leaks, oil consumption, and wear. Trusted history of over 150 years. If you want a strong blend without the price of full synthetic, I've linked Valvoline blends below. Best conventional oil, Castrol GTX. Famous for its double-action formula that fights sludge buildup. A trusted name with decades of reliability. Budget-friendly, solid protection for daily drivers. Grab Castrol GTX at the best price with the link in the description. Best high-mileage oil, Valvoline Max Life. The first high-mileage oil ever introduced. Packed with additives to restore seals and reduce leaks. Proven results for older cars. If your car has 75,000 miles or more, Valvoline Max Life is a safe bet. Check the link below. At the end of the day, the best engine oil is the one that fits your car, your driving style, and your climate. But if you're looking for trusted, proven brands, Mobil 1, Valvoline, and Castrol are hard to beat. I have left all the links to these oils in the description, so you can check today's prices and grab the right one for your car. Thanks for watching Ride Upgrade Zone. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car care tips, and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep your ride upgraded.